This is how you make the best ribs. This is how you make the best ribs ever. Today we're going to be making ribs. This is the items. So we have seasoning, we have salt, and we have mustard, and we have this little brush and a bowl. So first we're going to put the ribs in the bowl. And then we're going to get the mustard and give it a shake. And then open the lid. Some mustard on. My favorite part is we're going to use our hands to mix all of it together. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. So now that that's done, now we're going to do the salt. Next is the seasoning. It's strong. 3, 2, 1. If you want to know what it looks like this right now. Now they're dirty again. So now we're going to have to pick up them. This one looks like a chair. And we have to pick up it and put it, what is this called? Okay, this one looks like a chair. Or a little slide, or a building, that maybe those little things that you go up. Ow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. There's 10 of these. So now we're gonna put the stove on, so I'll show you. So first you press this, and then that's all you do. So now I'm gonna open the oven. And these guys. It's not hot yet because we just did. And then you. So now we have to wait for 2 hours. Bye guys. It's been 2 hours. Now we're gonna take it out of the oven. So now we have all these items. We have, I'll tell you, butter, honey, sauce, another kind of sauce, and tweezers. We're gonna pick up and put them in here. All done. So now we're gonna get some butter. Okay. Next is the honey. I'm gonna give it a shake. Next is our sauce. Now I'm gonna add mango sauce. Why is it? That's so weird. You said I can't do it, but I can. Can you put the phone down? I mean the camera down a little bit.
Oh.
So now we're gonna mix it with tweezer. I actually have a bite now. I'm saying something. Now I just like the sauce. It's so good though. Now we're gonna set the oven for 275. Now we're gonna put it back for 1 hour. It's not. It's been 1 hour. Now we need to take them out. I'm gonna keep one glove on. And when we take it out, it's gonna be. So if you want to see, this way. So this is how they look. So it's not ready. I'm poking it with a fork, and it's not ready. It's not tender. So we have to put it back. Give me a second. Done. So now we're gonna put it in. It's been a whole hour and 30 minutes, and it's finally done. So let's see what happened here. Now I have the littlest glove in the whole entire world, but to put on to open it.
What?
This is how you make the best ribs. This is how you make the best ribs ever. I can't.